Hey guys, Dr. Diamond here. Since I got a like, I added 2 new parts to the islands. There's that hilly one, and there's that one with the trees. And also, yeah, it's because today I got my first light. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vending machine, not a working one, but just a decorative one. We'll do it on the hilled island, and I'm sorry if it's raining. Or let's do it on the big island because I use that one more. And I'll also plant a few more trees. So what you need, you need iron block, glass. What else? So you got your glass. Good. Any type of button, preferably stone. And an item frame. I already have mine, but I'll move it. And I'll do the rest. I'll show you the rest stuff later. Now let's get in a bigger, possibly right here. So you start out. Oh, also another thing you may need is a stay clay. Now grab any kind. I personally like the gray, or you can use wool if you don't like stained clay. Place 4 blocks or 5. Doesn't really matter. Then you place. Actually, you may need 6. You then place 3. Next, you place your iron blocks. Then, you place more glass. Next, you place more stained clay. Next, you put another stack of iron blocks, and then put it like this. Next, you do this. Now, what you want to do is get rid of the parts where the iron is. Next, you put all your stained clay to the top. Next, you do the back. Now, for the back, you need to outstretch it. First step you need to do in the back is place your 2, place it 3 blocks, and then put the back in. Now you got a nice space. Then the next thing you do is you place this like this, and this the same way. Then you put it up and up. You put your stained clay up. You fill up the rest of the spaces, but don't fill up the top just yet. You'll find out why in just a second. The reason why is so fill up your whole back. Now you place your item frames. And you stack it 3 by 3. You can add as much as you want. But now if you like it, now to test what it looks like, do it like that. Then you place it like this, if you like it. Now it looks personally good. Now you grab any color of carpet and place it on the ground and then place it again. Or nah, just skip that step. But anyways, after you've done that, grab any food item and fill up the vending machine. Alright, I'm back and I got my food items. Now for the top, you grab your iron blocks, place it like a row, because that way, look, it looks like it's going there. Then you put it like this, there. Now for the technical stuff. It's not going to be all technical, but there's going to be the buttons. First is the dial pad. You put in 4 buttons. And then next you put 2 signs. Perfect, we already got it. There and there. And then next you grab out an item frame. Again, you put it right there. Then grab a piece of paper for the receipt. Make it look the best way. There's the receipt. And then next you add like the flapper thing. You can add color to it if you want. So this is, you'll add it right there. I accidentally did that. Add color to it. And I'm going for go for green. And then you add it. Keep doing it. Let's see. See, and then that works all perfectly. And why is that blue? You'll get the hang of it. 3. Line up. Next. Line up. Next. Let me see where it is. Oops. I keep messing up. Or you can just do something else for the flapper thing as well. You could just place a sign and then grab 2 flat things. First things first. Place it like this way. Okay? And then grab, I'm going to see if this works, but grab an anvil. I hope this looks right. I'm sorry if this episode's been long. But grab an anvil, break the glass. Oh wow. Okay guys, I'm really stupid. Anyways, that should be it. Bye. Also, peace. Have a diamond. You can put this in swimming parks, restaurants, or anywhere. Bye. Peace. Have a diamond.